Before you begin, remove the access panel, fan duct, and heatsink. Removal. Release the processor load lever from its retention tab and pull it back to release the processor. Important: identify the pin 1 triangle on the socket and processor prior to removing the processor. Important: when handling the processor, do not touch the processor contacts. Carefully lift the processor straight up and out of the socket. Replacement. Align the pin 1 triangle on the processor with the pin 1 triangle on the socket. Carefully lower the processor into position in the socket. Carefully swing the load plate down and lock the load lever under its retaining tab to secure the processor in place.